Hey guys, this is how to manage a sheet on a Google Sheet. So we have this Google Sheet. We can come here if we want to add a sheet. For example, we want to add sheet 6. We came and click on this plus sign, add sheet. When we click, automatically we have the sheet 6 here on the right side. Another thing is we can add the new sheet wherever. For example, here on sheet 3, I can add. If I click add sheet, the sheet 7 is going to come next to sheet 3. The sheet 7 comes here next to sheet 3. So when I want sheet 8 to come, for example, next to sheet 2, I will go to sheet 2 and then go here on the add sheet and click add sheet. The sheet 8 automatically appear here. So this is number 1. Then if I do Control Z or undo, you can come back as normal in Google Sheet or Excel and like this. So if we want, we can also delete a sheet. This is how it is done. I am going to delete sheet number 6. You come here and click on it. You can first, there are 2 ways. You can right click and go to delete this here. When you click on delete, this will pop up. Are you sure you want to delete this sheet? When you click OK, the sheet is gone. Boom. This is number 1. Then I can bring it back. You can also click on this icon here. It is going automatically to appear here, and you can choose. You can choose to delete it, and when you click delete, it is going to appear like this, and you click OK, and now the sheet number 6 is gone. Another management that we can do is to change the position of the sheet. For example, I want the sheet 3 to come before sheet 2. I click on sheet 3 and I click move left. When I click move left, the sheet 3, you can see we have is sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 2. Remember, before it was like this. It was sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. But by doing this, right click and moving to the left, now you have this sequence: sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 2. So this can be used depending on the manipulations you are doing in the document. So another thing we can do is we can give the color on the sheet. You can do click here and go to change color and go to this green like this. You can see this is a beautiful color here. We can do the same thing to sheet 4 by clicking here on this icon or right click and go to change color and go to pink, for example. Boom. Very good. We can do the same thing here and click on this icon and right click, for example, and go to change color and go to this color like this. So you can see how beautiful it looks like. So you can manipulate in this way. Another thing we can do is we can duplicate the sheet. If I have this sheet 4 or sheet 2 here with this data, or sheet 3 here, I can click duplicate. When I right click here and go to this duplicate, you click on it, Now you see a copy of the sheet. It has been duplicated. Sheet 3 contains this, and this copy contains this. You can come and manipulate your data while you still have your original data here. This is how it is done. Another thing is you can copy this sheet to another spreadsheet. When you do right click and you go to copy, you can copy to the existing spreadsheet or copy to a new spreadsheet. When I copy to existing spreadsheet like this, I can choose which spreadsheet among my drive where to copy this sheet. I can choose either depending on what I want. I can choose those who have been shared with me, which are on drive, those which are recent. I can choose where to copy and paste this. Number 2, it is you can copy to a new spreadsheet. When we click here and copy to a new spreadsheet like this, it will automatically open a new spreadsheet when I click open. So I really find myself on a new spreadsheet which is untitled with this sheet 2 here copied on this new spreadsheet, and you can call it a name and call it, for example, A, B, C, D, whatever, and have a new spreadsheet with this sheet. These are different manipulations that we can do here on this sheet. So you can protect the sheet, you can even hide the sheet so that it is not now available. You can hide it and auto unhide it. So guys, thank you very much for following this. I hope it was very helpful because we have been passing through all this different way of managing the sheets on this Google Sheet. So see you on the next video.